Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to download significant wave height data from the Copernicus Marine service step by step. First, open your browser and go to the website, marine.copernicus.eu. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top menu and click on Access Data, then select Ocean Products. This will take you to the Copernicus Marine Data Store. On this page, scroll or search for Global Ocean Wave Reanalysis. Once you find it, click the download icon, the one that looks like a downward arrow. Now you'll be directed to the Global Ocean Wave Reanalysis product page. Here, click the download button again, located in the top right corner. Next, we choose the parameter we want to download. In this tutorial, we will select Sea Surface Wave Significant Height. For the time resolution, leave it every 3 hours. Then, we define the geographical area. In this example, I'll select a region around Indonesian waters. After that, choose the time range. For this tutorial, I'll select data from February 2020. Once everything is set, click the download button. Wait for the process to complete, and the data will be automatically downloaded to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded significant wave height data from Copernicus Marine.